Check this out, guys. Now it's towards the evening, guys, so you're really not gonna see a whole lot, but yeah, check that bud out, eh, guys? All bud from my hand up. The top buds are awesome. Like, look at them. Eh? Isn't that something, guys? All the way around this plant. Like, look at this one. Then you got this one up here, eh? And the very top one. Like, just wow, guys. We feel really blessed with our yield this year. We really do. But anyway, it's time to take it down, guys. So we thought we'd do a little video with you guys while we take it down. Find a spot to put the camera here. Get it set up right so you can see everything. Sorry about the wiggleness. Huh, the wiggles. See that? Okay, here we go, guys. We'll cut her down. Oh, I don't like doing this part, but I love the ending. Brown leaves out of it. Well, there's first branch, guys. Want to grab this one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Next branch is coming. Dang, these are like cutting down a tree, guys. These are all the brown leaves I didn't get pulled out, eh? No biggie. They just kind of fall off when you shake it, eh? And you also shake it because, believe it or not, guys, when you're growing this, a lot of spiders take up home on your plant. But they're good because they keep all the little bugs off, eh? That eat your plants. They eat them up. Okay, one more here on this side. Another good branch, guys. Check out that bud, eh? Isn't that something?
That is awesome.
Jen's over here drooling, guys. Okay, where do we want to go next? I think we'll take this one here next, the smallest one. That's the smallest branch on the bottom, guys. And look at the buds on that even.
Amazing.
Unreal, eh?
Amazing harvest.
Okay, now we got a branch here that we can take out right here. Check that out, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't believe the harvest we got this year, guys. We're really excited about it because the last couple of years here, trying to harvest or even grow was impossible.
No, we got a couple.
We got a couple, but they weren't nearly as good as these.
This year, yeah. This year's been amazing. I'm very blessed. Very grateful.
That's a very small branch, guys, but look at the buds on that, eh? You're gonna hang right up as soon as you get in the house. Okay, now around this way. Actually, I'll do it all from this end so you guys can all see what's going on here. Now where to cut this one? How far down? How far up? Dang. like cutting a tree down in the woods, you know? Man, that's
awesome.
heavy.
That is so amazing.
Check that out, guys. Look at the buds on that, eh?
That is amazing.
Is that not unreal?
That is amazing. For sure.
Absolutely gorgeous plants this year. Oh, we got a
Gonna
small
make two
branch
pounds.
here.
Gonna make 2 pounds.
Even the small branches, eh, guys? They're not bad sized buds.
Yeah, they're
Good
beautiful.
old nuggets.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, good old nuggets. That one there ain't got nothing on it.
I will. Oh wow! I will say, everybody, that this is a miracle. It does wonders for me with my MS. So.
Yeah, it does, Jen. Me too. I love to get high.
I calmed you down. That's good.
It does calm me down, yes. That's another branch. Didn't quite get enough sun.
And to be able to grow your own and be able to, that is so amazing in itself.
I'm just going to cut this whole branch off here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Use black tape to hold them together, eh, guys, because they got broke in the wind
A couple times.
a couple times. Everywhere there was a rope tied around there, guys, it got split by the wind or by actually squirrels too running in through the branches, eh? Mean little buggers. When you want to grow your weed, they just want to climb in it. Oh, that one's heavy. Well, I guess so. That's a whole plant just about.
Oh wow.
Wow, guys, check that out, eh?
Wow, that is amazing.
Hey, where'd you go? Okay, one more branch and she's all done.
Wow, that's a lot.
What's this branch? Yeah, we'll take that off separately. Look at that tiny branch and the pretty good sized buds on that one too, guys. Front and back. Yeah, we'll go with 2 cups on this one. Check it out, guys. Wow.
It's almost as tall as you are.
One branch. Crazy, eh?
That is awesome.
This here's no good, huh? There's no bud on it, really. We'll just, yeah. Shadow can eat that one up. And there's what I call harvested, guys. Last piece. But look at, guys. Let me get nice and close to you here. Like, look at these buds, guys. I mean, my hand's there, guys, and it goes right up to the top. So they're about a good half a foot, a little more long. And they've got to be, right there, I'd say about the size of a tennis ball.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're, man.
That is awesome.
We're really
blessed.
blessed this year with our crop. We
harvest.
really are.
Yeah.
Now there's one more I want to show you guys.
That's
Get
so
you turn around here. There's the one. That's going to be the end of this month. But I've got it trimmed up somewhat. And check the buds out on this one, guys. Like all the way around, they're just huge on this one too, eh? Check that out. That's my favorite branch right there. I think you can see why, eh? That's the part I got trimmed up. But as you can see, there's a lot more to trim on this side. It's a lot of work trimming it, but it looks a lot better, and it's a lot less work when you get it in the house. That one that's over there on the ground now, right here, we never really trimmed that a lot because it was broken so many spots. So it never got the chance to get trimmed up. But this one, probably tomorrow I'll come out and try and get most of it trimmed up that I can. Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is Early Bird Special with Brad. Peace!